Alright, today is the day we finally review these. It's Beat Sync. LED lights that sync to your music. And right now, we're going to unbox it. Here we go. Here they are. And these have 4 different light modes, and you don't need to plug them in because they're battery operated. But let's turn them on. Has 4 different modes. If they'll turn on. Here's one. So see, it's pretty rough. Now we're gonna watch it as we sync it to music. Okay. So here they are, plugged in and ready. And so what we're gonna do, it can actually respond to your voice. Well, what I'm gonna do right now for you is I'm gonna sing near this. Okay, deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. And see? It responds to voices and songs too from your phone, but I'd rather not play from your phone because I'm worried of SME copywriting songs. I forgot to mention, we found this at Walmart, and it was only $5.98. So if you want to, go to a Walmart and find one of these.